Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Falmouth cruise ship here. Now this video was done before the hurricane passed over Jamaica. We will give you an update on the pier one day next week. But today we are going to talk about Royal Caribbean redirecting their ships away from Jamaica. Basically, their cruise ships are no longer going to stop in Jamaica because of the conditions. Now, all indicators are that the port in Falmouth is okay, but when the ships dock, the tourists won't be able to go to the excursions around the island because the roads, no electricity, water problems. Basically, Jamaica is in recovery mode on the western part of the western part of Jamaica is in recovery mode, and it wouldn't be so. As a result of that, Royal Caribbean has temporarily redirected their ships to other ports in the Caribbean. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. Hurricane Melissa delivered severe damage to parts of Jamaica's coastal infrastructure, and one noticeable consequence has been the temporary withdrawal of Royal Caribbean cruise ships from the island's ports. While Jamaica is one of the Caribbean's most recognized cruise destinations, particularly through Falmouth, Ochias, and Montego Bay, the storm disrupted the conditions needed for large passenger vessels to dock and safely move thousands of tourists through local facilities. As a result, Royal Caribbean has adjusted multiple itineraries, redirecting ships to other ports in the region until repairs and recovery efforts progress. The port of Falmouth has been especially affected. Although the structures themselves remained standing, the surrounding road networks, utilities, beaches, and visitor service areas suffered damage. Shore excursions, transportation services, and tourism vendors, all key components of the cruise enterprise, faced disruptions. Cruise companies evaluate not only whether a port can receive a ship, but also whether the destination can deliver a full guest experience. In the current conditions, Royal Caribbean determined that bringing passengers ashore might lead to safety challenges, crowded logistics, or an underwhelming visitor experience, prompting the pause. This shift carries economic implications. Cruise tourism is a major income source for many Jamaican families who depend on daily visitor flows. Taxi and tour operators, craft vendors, small merchants, and hospitality workers are particularly affected. The change also impacts nearby towns whose businesses rely heavily on cruise days for foot traffic. Even short-term reductions can strain livelihoods, especially in communities where tourism is the dominant economic activity. In the end, the temporary suspension of Royal Caribbean calls is both an economic setback and a moment of reflection. Jamaica's tourism sector has repeatedly shown resilience, and recovery efforts are already underway. With coordinated investment, stronger coastal protection, and continued partnerships between government and cruise lines, Jamaica is well positioned to resume cruise calls and welcome visitors again. The pause is temporary, but the lessons about preparedness and sustainability are lasting. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.